What's up, YouTube? Welcome back. Doing something a little different this weekend. Finally getting back to the lake. So the water is still really cold. I don't know how cold it is. How cold do you think the water is?
I said 59, I think.
59 degrees, so it's actually too cold to be in the water, but, well, anyways. So basically, welcome to the lake. Y'all have never been here before, but I'm gonna show you what you could do with a $500 boat. You don't have to be filthy rich to go to the lake and have fun. So here's what $500 will do for you. 24-foot boat, 454 big block, and a tube. I hate cold water, so I might be able to get on the wakeboard later and try to wakeboard. I really wakeboarded for the first time last year, so I'm not very good at it, but it is super fun. But let's get into it.